Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode where we are going to discuss about some strategy. In the last three videos, we discussed call calendar, we discussed put calendar, we discussed call ratio. And today, in this video, we are going to discuss about put ratio. First thing is that what is put ratio? Put ratio means buying one put, selling two or three puts far away. Usually, the people buy at the money put and sell out of the money put, or buying sometimes they do slightly in the money put also. And selling two or three puts where you think that the markets will be taking the support. So, if the markets are slightly bearish, so this will give a good return. Of course, this time the markets have turned to be bullish, not bearish. So that is why out of the four strategies which I took a paper trade, so this is a strategy which has given the least possible return. Okay. So without wasting the time, let me show you in the computer. So these are the four strategies. We have already discussed call calendar, put calendar, call ratio. Now this is the time to do put ratio. So this is Nifty. P stands for put ratio. And you look here and go to analyze the trade. Okay, so for the time being, you just leave this one. Okay, you only look at the remaining three. So if you look at the remaining three, what I did, I bought 25,000 put option. I think that time Nifty was around 24,800, 900 like that. Okay, the 25,000. And if you can remember, on May 12th, the Nifty broke out. Nifty shot up nearly 1,000 points. Then the same day evening, I gave a post-market report saying that markets are likely to consolidate between 24,500 and 25,200. So what has happened after that? Markets were moving very violently. Three times Nifty broke 24,500, but every time it broke, it did not close below 24,500, recovered very, very fast. So because like 24,500 is a support, market can go even slightly lower also. So what I did, I sold 24,400 put option and 24,500 put option, both. People usually the call ratio means they do 1:2. That means 1 buy 2 sell. But instead of selling 2 sell, what I have chosen, 1 sell at 24,500, 1 sell at 24,400. So I bought 25,000 put option, sold 24,500 put and 24,400 put. Again, when I say I bought, it's a paper trade, it's not the real trade. Okay. So now what happens, if the markets are slightly bearish, your buy option will also give profit. The sell option also give profit. But what has happened? Market was violently trading in this range. And finally, closer to the end of the series, market decided to break out. Now the Nifty is trading above 25,200. Now what has happened as a result? We have lost 34,000 rupees in buying a put option. Okay, but losing 34,000, if people who bought the naked put, 34,000 will be the loss. But although there is a 34,000 rupees loss in the buy option, see the sell option, covered almost the entire profit. So still sitting with a very, very small profit. This strategy must not be seen in isolation because, it's only 1,000 rupees profit, 0.77% return. See, I have done a call ratio in Bank Nifty and did a put ratio in Nifty. If the market is bullish, my Bank Nifty will give very good profit. As you have seen already, that is the one which has given the best return, like 44,000 rupees profit. So put ratio definitely will give loss, but it has not given loss, it has given some minor profit. On the contrary, if the market had been bearish, this strategy would have given better profit, whereas the Bank Nifty strategy would have given less profit or some loss also. So that is how the things are like, overall at the portfolio level you have to think, not at the individual level. Now, Why this extra one? As I already told you, you are buying for 465 and selling these two for also like I think we collected almost the entire premium. There's a small net credit. But however, I thought, in case if market turns slightly bullish, so there may not be good profit. And also, even if market reverses, so I thought, 26,000 will be a good resistance. So I just wanted to sell one extra call. Now see, only the put ratio, the margin is 1,71,000. By adding one extra call, the margin shot up to 2,21,000. But the thing is, by adding this call, now although there is a very small profit in the put ratio, the call ratio has given about 5,000 rupees profit. So the overall profit now, even for the deployed capital, it's 2.73%, which is not a bad one. Because you've got nearly 17-18% profit in Bank Nifty call ratio, the put ratio has given 2.73%. Still, it's a very, very good return actually. So, if you are mild bullish, you do a call ratio. A mild bearish, you do a put ratio. But if you are not sure which way the market will go, then better to do one call ratio also and one put ratio also. So if the put ratio doesn't give good profit, call ratio will give. A call ratio doesn't give good profit, put ratio will give. So this is how we just manage to do things. Right? So of course, there are some plus and minus points, as I told you always. So in case markets move beyond 26,000, my extra leg will give loss, or market crashes below 24,400 also, there will be an unlimited loss. So you do not want the unlimited loss, you can always add one more buy option, but normally I don't do that. Okay, so call calendar we have done, put calendar we have done, then call ratio we have done, now we are doing a put ratio. So, so these are the strategies. As I told you in the first video, I'll come back to the camera. As I told you in the first video, mostly people do straddle and strangle in India. So beyond that, there are many strategies. So some of the 4 strategies, I just took a paper trade. I discussed the 4 strategy. So this is the final video in this series. Right? Of course, there are many more strategies like a diagonal call calendar, diagonal put calendar, So a lot of variations and a lot of adjustments here and there, right? So hope you enjoyed watching this video. So if you are interested to learn more, so you might consider attending my workshop. You can check the description for the details. There will be one workshop in Chennai and one workshop in Bangalore. So maybe after completing this, I might consider launching an online workshop. Right? So probably that I will do it when I go back to Dubai. So because now there's a peak summer season in Dubai, so therefore I'm spending time in India. For 2 months I'll be here. Maybe September month I'm planning to go to either Singapore, Malaysia, or Switzerland, somewhere. Then October I will go back to Dubai and settle down. So this is my travel plan actually. So the strategies, all the 4 strategies put together, so it has given more than 10% return. So in this month, and once again, a disclaimer, these are not real trades. These are all paper trades. And what I'm showing you is the final outcome. So I'm not showing you the everyday MTM loss. Actually, I can show it, but it will take a longer time. So I do not want to keep the video very, very long. So if you have this software called abstract.defineedge.com, you can actually go and do, once you've taken the screenshot of all this data, you can actually go and do the simulation yourself. So that's a very good software simulation. I'm telling you, I'm not promoting Abstract actually, right? So because there are very few softwares for this backtesting, payoff chart, and simulations in India, right? So hope you enjoyed watching this video. So maybe next month, maybe I'll try some new strategies. I'll come out with the outcome. So until then, enjoy the June series, very, very volatile series. But finally, Of course, today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is the expiry. So let us hope market sustains the rally. So 25,200 is decisively taken out. So markets are likely to be stay positive in July series also. Of course, corporate results will be coming in July. So like a lot depends upon the corporate results also. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.